Welcome back, traders. In today's video, I will break down a complete smart money concept trading setup on the 1-hour time frame. You will learn how the market formed a break of structure, created an order block, engineered inducement, and finally targeted the buy-side liquidity. I will walk you step by step through every marked area so you can clearly understand how institutional price moves and how to enter high-probability buy trades with confidence. Let us start with the first element on the chart. First, look at the left side of the chart. Price was in a consistent downward movement, but eventually, a strong bullish candle broke above the previous lower high. This moment is called a break of structure. A break of structure is extremely important because it tells us that the market is no longer respecting the downtrend. Instead, buyers have stepped in with strength and have shifted the market intention from a bearish environment into a bullish environment. This break confirms that the previous supply levels are weak and demand is now taking control. Whenever I see the market break structure with clear, strong candles, I immediately prepare to look for the next demand area that the market will return to before continuing higher. This brings us to the second marked point on the chart. Below the break of structure, you can see a clearly marked bullish order block. This is the last bearish candle before the strong upward move that caused the break of structure. This area represents institutional buying orders. Large financial institutions entered positions here, and that is why price exploded upward from this zone. Order blocks act like powerful demand regions. When the market returns to this area, it usually reacts strongly because unfulfilled buy orders are still resting inside this zone. In smart money concept trading, we never enter at random. We always wait for the market to return to an order block before looking for a buy opportunity. Now, before the market returns to this zone, it performs a very important action called inducement. Just above the order block, you can see small lows forming a clear liquidity area. This is inducement. Inducement is the market's way of luring traders into the wrong direction. When price makes equal lows or small pullbacks, many retail traders place buy orders early or place their stop losses underneath those lows. Smart money deliberately pushes price downward to sweep these stops. The sweep clears retail liquidity and provides enough orders to fill institutional buy positions. After the inducement liquidity is taken, the market becomes ready to reverse from the order block with strength. This is exactly what happens on the chart. The market sweeps the inducement and immediately returns into the order block. Now look at the top side of the chart. You have clearly marked buy-side liquidity. Buy-side liquidity refers to the area where buy stops and pending buy orders are resting above previous highs. Retail traders think these highs are resistance levels, but smart money sees them as liquidity pools. The market's job is to collect liquidity. So, after sweeping the inducement and tapping into the order block, price naturally moves upward toward the buy-side liquidity. Remember, the market always moves from liquidity to liquidity. In this example, the target for our buy trade is the liquidity above the previous highs, the buy-side liquidity zone. Once price taps into the bullish order block, we see a strong bullish reaction. This reaction shows us that institutional buying is active and price is ready for a move to the upside. This is the exact moment to enter the buy trade. The entry is placed inside the order block after the market sweeps the inducement. Our stop loss goes below the order block because if price breaks below it, it means the idea is invalid. The take profit is very clear. We target the buy-side liquidity. This is where the market is naturally drawn because of the large pool of orders above the previous highs. As you can see, price moves aggressively from the order block, climbs upward through the entire bullish leg, and finally reaches and sweeps the buy-side liquidity. This completes the smart money concept pattern perfectly. From break of structure to order block to inducement, and finally to liquidity collection. This entire sequence is a perfect demonstration of how smart money moves the market. If you understand these 5 elements, break of structure, order block, inducement, buy-side liquidity, and the institutional entry, you can catch high probability and high reward trades just like this one. If you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which SMC concept you want me to explain next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.